Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload files to shared folders on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Now, if I go to manage access on this folder, as you can see, I'm the only one that has access and it's in general restricted. However, if I added other people, I could very easily add them as an editor, click share, and now I have created my shared file or shared folder. This is exactly what you want, and you want to have a shared folder with someone first so that you can actually add items. Now, once you have a shared folder, you can add them pretty standardly. You can just click the plus icon, click file upload or folder upload, and select the files or folders that you want to upload. And you can do this on any platform that you want, or alternatively on PC, you can just boot up your file manager anyway, select the video or items that you want, and then drag it over and it'll upload itself. And as you can see, it has been uploaded to my drive, and it is literally as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.